The shocking effects of walking. What happens to your body after 5, 30, and 60 minutes? Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective exercises that can transform your body. But have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you walk for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or even an hour? In this video, we'll break down the surprising benefits of walking and how it impacts your health at different time intervals. As soon as you start walking, your body begins to wake up. Blood circulation increases, sending more oxygen to your brain and muscles. Your heart rate rises slightly, and your body starts burning calories. Even a short 5-minute walk can improve mood by releasing endorphins, increase alertness and focus, and reduce stress levels instantly. If you're feeling tired or sluggish, just 5 minutes of walking can re-energize you. After half an hour of walking, your body shifts into fat-burning mode. This is where the real magic happens. Your metabolism gets a significant boost, and you start experiencing increased calorie burn, around 150 to 200 calories, strengthened heart and lungs, improved digestion and gut health, and reduced risk of heart disease and diabetes. Regular 30-minute walks can also help with weight loss, improve sleep quality, and lower blood pressure. Walking for an hour daily can completely transform your health and body over time. After 60 minutes of walking, your body experiences maximum fat burn, especially around the belly, enhanced endurance and stamina, significant stress reduction, and strengthening of bones and joints. Over weeks and months, this routine can help reshape your body, giving you a leaner and fitter look. Walking is a powerful exercise with incredible benefits at every stage. Whether you can spare just 5 minutes or commit to an hour, every step counts towards a healthier you. So why wait? Start walking today and experience the transformation yourself.